A word cloud is a visual representation of information or data. It shows the popularity of words or phrases by making the most frequently used words appear larger or bolder compared with the other words around them. This time we're going to learn how to use Wordart.com to make word clouds. Just like many other websites, Wordart offers the paid and the free version. In the free version, we need to go to Create. Click on it where you can see a grid with several fields similar to the ones that you see in Excel. The first field is Words, where you introduce the words you are going to use to design the word cloud shape. The second field is Shape, where you find the shape that you want to use. Once you choose your shape, click on Visualize to see the design of the shape you chose. Then, you choose the font you want to use. By clicking on Layout, you can select the direction and arrangement of words that are going to be used in your design. Next, you choose if you want your shape to have a color on the background or if you prefer to have a transparent background. There is also the possibility to play a little bit with the tonality of the color selected. Finally, once you're happy with your design, you download it as a PNG file so that you can share it or use it in a visual project or presentation. An interesting detail about Wordart.com is that it gives you the possibility to use your own shape or any shape and picture you look for in the internet. To do this, once you have the picture or shape you want to use in your computer, you go to Wordart and click on Shapes. There you will see the option Add Image. In this way, you can upload your image and it will become part of the shapes you see in the grid. I hope Wordart.com can be useful for your visual projects.